Welcome to Sparking Media once again. In this video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to withdraw from Letshare. Yes, I have made some videos concerning this platform, but I did not withdraw live. But in this video, I will be withdrawing live so that you guys can see how it's being done. But before I proceed, guys, for those of you who registered but you are unable to connect your WhatsApp, please, it's due to the maintenance ongoing on this platform, so that's the reason why you are not able to connect your WhatsApp. Okay, but after watching this video, you can still try if you can connect your WhatsApp. Okay, as you all know that this platform known as Letshare is an online earning platform which pays you when you just connect your WhatsApp and you are active with it. And once you are active with it, from 24 hours to 72 hours, you'll be able to get 6,215 naira, and there are still other additional tasks which you can do to also accumulate up to 7,000 naira for free. Yes, this platform for free without you having to refer anybody. In my previous video, I explained that you don't need to refer anybody before you can earn on this platform. This one is not a referral based platform. And in my previous video also, I also warned that no one should use, or on no condition will you use your main WhatsApp account to do anything online. I'm always saying it because each time WhatsApp discover that your account is connected to an external site, they can easily get your account banned. Okay, so that's the reason why whenever you are doing things like this, anything WhatsApp making money updates, you should always use your less important WhatsApp account. That's your spare WhatsApp account you know that is not important, so that even if it get banned in the process, you have nothing to lose and you have nothing to worry about. So that's how I'm always putting it. Okay, so you can see it, guys. And then for those of you who will pick interest in joining the platform, I will also leave a link on how to, I will also leave a link in the comment section. You can use it to register. And the next video that's going to play after this video is how to connect your WhatsApp account to Letshare. Okay, so that's it, guys. You can see this place here. Let's see if the maintenance is still ongoing. When you are trying to connect your account and you click on get income now, you can see come next time, the maintenance is still on. Once the maintenance is over, if you click on this place here trying to connect your account, it will work. Okay, now let me show you guys how to withdraw. How do you withdraw? Click on mine. When you click on mine, you can see this place here, withdraw. Click on withdraw. When you click on withdraw, the first thing you are going to do is to input your bank account details. You can see this place here, input your account bank details. You will see add bank or add bank. You see it. So I've already added mine, so but you can still change it. I can still add another bank, so I'll click on add new card. Then I select my bank. Please, OPay and PalmPay is recommended. Use OPay and PalmPay to withdraw, to avoid withdrawal failure. Please take note of this, very important. So I've already selected my OPay, so just add your details, add your account number, add the account name, make sure it's correct. You can see I've added my own and it's correct. Then all you need to do is to select all, click on withdraw all. Then you see this option here, 3,000, or if you have more than that, if you have more than this 3,300, you can click more than, you can withdraw everything. So you just click on this one. So if you have a minimum of 3,200 or 3,300, you can just click on this one. Okay, so you click on this one, then you click on withdrawal. So click on withdrawal. You can see operation successful, so it's now pending. So I've applied it and I'll be paid 3,000 naira, while 300 naira will be deducted as the withdrawal fee. Okay, so that's how to withdraw. So within 20 minutes to 12 hours, this money will be paid to my OPay account. So that's how that's how to withdraw on this platform, as simple as that. If you have any other question concerning the withdrawal, you can comment below. Thank you.